outside. We're outside. Okay guys, so we're going to attend a birthday party. Yeah, so let's wait. Ronnie. Okay. Hi! So, ito na nga, hinihintay namin si Bunso para magpaalam kami na we're going to a party. And of course, dahil malaki na siya, hindi na siya mahilig sumama. Hindi kagaya ng bata siya kahit saan ako pumunta, lagi siyang nakasama. But this time, she has her own friends. So, I think hinihintay niya yung friends niya at sa bahay lang sila mag-stay. So, kami naman, ng papa niya ay attend ng party kasi it's Saturday, syempre. Ayan na. Pinatawagan niya ng kanyang mga friendship. Yan.
Where you guys at?
We're on our way right now.
Well, like where?
Right here on Meadowview.
Meadowview. Layo pa. I cook lumpia for you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, and then you have pizza there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so ayan na nga. We're going na kasi nagpaalam na kami kay Bunso. At go na. See ya!